In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3210 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear. Okay? And once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, in a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set here before we proceed. Once everything are done, please navigate to the search bar and type for Epson. Let me just edit it. Epson L3210 driver. Then hit the enter key the moment you have typed it and please proceed to the first result. Just select any of the result. Anyway, they have similar options as long as you can download this Epson L3210. So here you need to click on this download to refresh the page and kindly wait until you can see the option where you can select your operating system. Once it's here, it automatically detects operating system. Click on this drivers. Okay, and from here, please scroll down and locate with printer driver and click on this download. So it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. All you need to do is you need to click on accept. And after that, you can now start on the downloading. Click on keep and this would be starting. Okay, so please wait until this would be completed before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once done, all you need to do is you need to click on the folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So here you need to move that to the desktop. So how we can do so, all you need to do is you need to select the file or application. Please make a right click and go with this cut icon. Once done, please close all of the windows being opened. Okay, and from here, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, please make a right click and go with the second to the last option where you can extract the file. You can simply double tap to the application and in that way you would be able to unzip or extract the file. But if you have the WinRAR tool, you can use that for the extraction. So here, please click on extract to L3210 and kindly wait until this would be done. And wait until a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it. then this is the time that we need to navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Now here, please navigate to the left pane and locate with Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And under here, please select for printers and scanners and go with add device. So tap on it. And once this would appear, click on add manually and kindly wait until a new window would appear where we can manually install our printer driver. So once it's here, click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So click on next. Go with have disk. Click on the browse. And from here, please navigate to the desktop. Please scroll down. Double tap to this extracted file. Double tap once again. Just double tap and select any of this one. And then click on open. Click on OK. And it will show you the driver. Click on next. Go with next. And it will now start on the installation. So kindly wait until this would be finished. So please allow for printer sharing. Click on next. But if you don't want to, just click the other one so that you can make it private. So go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3210 printer series or printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.